I'm Mike Cross, Chief Engineer Vehicle Integrity at Jaguar. Great new circuit with lots of elevation changes, lots of off-camber bends, uphill and downhill. A real test of the car's chassis. The top speed of the XKR-S is 300 kilometers per hour. 0 to 60 time is 4.2 seconds. Short shift into third gear to use the benefit of the torque. Let the car drift over to the exit. Short straight down to a downhill hairpin left. Downhill on the entry, uphill on the exit. Feel the benefit here of the active diff, which alters the locking torque of the differential to maximise traction. The new XKR-S, like the XKR, has adaptive dynamics, so the differential, the damper, the throttle all adjust to the way you're driving. The driver can choose a dynamic mode for a more driver-focused setup. And as we go faster, the new aerodynamic package starts to show its benefits with increased stability as we brake into the corner. Fantastic exhaust note. There are active valves in the exhaust, so while it sounds great on the racetrack, if you drive it quietly on the road, the sound is much more subtle. Downhill right-hander, third gear. Short straight into the final curve. We've modified the front suspension uprights to make them stiffer, giving the car increased precision at the limit. Okay, so punching out onto the main straight at Portimao, you can really feel the benefit of the increased power and torque at 550 horsepower.